What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a 360 VR camera. This is the Insta360 ONE. I'm not sure if you could just use it independently or it has to be connected to the phone. I'm not really sure. We'll find out. You can also do live streaming using this. So if you want to live stream to Facebook, you can do that. It does record in 4K video, which is really good. Photos are 24 megapixel, easy in app editing, real-time stabilization, high-speed shooting. So with high-speed shooting, you can actually put it at 120 frames per second, which is like perfect for slow-mo. The device itself, it does take a charge. It takes about 3 hours to charge and you're gonna get about 70 minutes of use out of it, so a little over an hour. And then on standby time, you get like 120 hours. Open. Oh, there we go. All right, finally, okay. Oh, whoa, that's a little bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Instructions. Looks like a USB adapter. What is that? I'm not sure what that is. Manual, warranty, and it looks like a lens cleaner. Yeah, microfiber cloth. That's a good one too. About a 3-foot long USB to micro USB cable. Oh, I think I know what this is. So this right here screws into the bottom of the camera. So you put it in the 360 mode and you sit there and you swing it around your head. We'll try that out later. Here is the device itself. I'm not sure, oops, I think I just turned it on again. Here's the actual camera. Wow, that feels nice. Okay, look, I didn't mean to do that. Turn off. All right, so you've got your SD card slot. Does this have an SD card already in it? Oh cool, it came with an 8 gig. I guess it's made out of like aluminum right here. I'm guessing that is a speaker. That's a built-in, it is, it's a speaker. You've got your microphone here, your power button here. You've got 24 megapixel lens here and your 4K UHD here. Your SD card goes into this slot right here. Now on the bottom, you push that down and then boom. And so this, you plug it in directly to your phone. Just like that. Okay, so when you have it plugged into your phone, it'll actually use the phone storage to store all the footage or photos on, but you can use it in independent mode. Okay, so the thing that it came in actually doubles as, you know, like a protective case, but it also, you stick it in there like that, and now you can hold the camera independently as long as you have the SD card in there or a TF card. The power button, once that turns on, you can click it once, it'll take a picture, you can click it twice and it'll start doing video. Is it connecting? No SD card? Of course. Whoa, wait a minute. That is so cool. All right, well, you know what? This is cool and all, but where this really is gonna be better is outside. I don't really wanna test it too much in here. Let's go outside. It's actually really nice out today. Let's do this. Here it is, the 360 cam. There is a plane flying up above. I didn't upload this in 360 mode, so you can't control it, but I can. So I'm just going to show you basically how you can circle around. The quality of the video looks really good. I'm actually using it on my iPhone right now. If I do this number, oh, I can't do it on the phone, but I can do it in the software. So this is Tiny Planets, I think, or Tiny World or something like that. It looks really cool. I think this is a really cool feature. Oh, here we go. Let's go to a gazebo. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, nice. There we go. I think it works pretty well. Whoa. I think it actually works really well. The video editing software is very interesting. And to edit 360 videos, you have to put it in a special software. What is it called? Insta360 Studio. I had to put the video in there, edit it how I wanted it, and then export it, and then put it into my regular video editing software, which is Sony Vegas, to make this video. Overall, it's pretty cool. So we're going to switch. I'm gonna try the circle thing where we attach the string to it and then fling it around. So let's try that out and see how it works. Also, here is a little clip of the RC car that I checked out. I actually used this camera in that footage, and I think it turned out pretty cool. So check this out.
right, well, there we go. I mean, it's pretty cool. I like this thing. I think it's definitely cool. If you're interested in doing 360 videos, this is a pretty cool way to go about it. You gotta ask yourself, is it worth, you know, is it worth the price? If it is, definitely check this one out. It's pretty cool. It's the first 360 camera that I've actually used. It's so simple. You basically just hit the button and you go. You don't even have to have anything connected to it for it to work. Either way, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Definitely check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.